Na, 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 na.
I eat chicken.
Na, 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 na.
I like chicken. Especially chicken from Costco.
I like French fries.
I like French fries. That's my song, you whore. I like French fries. I like French fries.
I like Taco Bell. I like Taco Bell. I don't know the rest.
I like French fries.
Mmm. Yummy.
Such good chicken.
Christine. Dun, dun.
That's myself right
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun.
Oh.
You smell like chicken.
Oh my god.
You smell like chicken.
I spit up.
What is that? Oh, it's your feet. Ew, it smells really bad. And this is how she eats her chicken. Wait, we have to make an update. Okay. Okay.
Don't worry.
We haven't started our video necessarily because the first day we
I'm wearing skis.
Hey, I wonder if you can see my 69. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. That's not a 69, is it? It's this way.
Unzoom it, whore.
Wait, shh. It's right there,
I'm gonna put
69.
my chicken on your.
Okay.
I like chicken. I like dogs too. I like dogs.
Okay, we have to get our tripod or something. Look at my beautiful bracelet.
Oh, no.
Okay.
No.
We didn't start our. We didn't.
I got it all over. Oh,
Okay. We didn't start our video yet.
that's right too.
And by the way, I think we're gonna change the song. Christine, I think that we're going to change the song because I was
I
looking.
really hope they don't get mad at ate their chicken.
Can you listen?
Yeah, I'm listening.
I think we're gonna change our song.
Oh, why?
I was looking at like these videos of these girls that they made and like.
No, we're not doing magic.
No, not magic.
No, we're not doing dynamite.
No, not Dynamite.
No, we're not doing like it.
No.
No, we're not doing yes.
No.
No, we're not doing other songs.
No, we're doing.
No, we're not doing you and Gabe's song. It's not just the two of us here, Jordan. We can't make it even if we did try.
I'm not gonna make that.
I was talking. Oh my god, his boobies.
I was talking about you know the song. It's
That's his
I'm gonna
pee-pee.
party.
No.
I have to show you it. You have to see it.
I know that song. Are you retarded?
No, I mean I have to show you the video. It's really cool.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to do that song. Just because people can make a good. Do you hear this?
I want.
That's me raping the chicken.
Ew, you fucking. Ladies and gentlemen, Christine Joseph. And please stop yourself. Okay.
Oh crap, Tyler.
What?
Tyler watches these.
Tyler who?
Tyler Hamilton, the kid we're talking to.
Alright.
Tyler's boyfriend.
I look really weird today.
I like apple seeds. I don't want my chicken in there.
I look really weird today.
I went through 4 outfit changes. My fucking new pants from PacSun, first time I wore them, I just put them on. What does my aunt do? She spills coffee all over them. Brand new pants, never worn them, just put them on. Like I walked downstairs, spit. I want that.
Okay. You know what? Bye. Look at the ass that she does not have.
Don't, it's set.
Ready? Ready?
My underwear.
We have to have something that holds it up. No, wait.
It's me underwear.
How do you make this hold up? either. Okay. Christine, make it stand. I'm gonna put you the wrong way. Hold it.
No, Mommy, I have chicken. Dude, I have chicken all over me. You want me handling your camera?
Mmm.
Oh, that's pretty good chicken.
Yummy.
There goes my chicken. Give me the fridge.
Oh, hey, I got, my hair fucking sucks today. It was really good, and then I was like playing with it. And it's okay.
I found donuts. Go, Jenno. I found donuts.
Hold this.
I found donuts.
Ready? She has a white person's ass, and I have a black person's ass.
I just got for some reason, I'm like fat with no ass. How does this happen?
I have like
Oh no, you're
legit like a black person's ass. Like all the black people, they're always like, "Oh, you have a really nice ass. You have a nice black girl's ass." I was like, I'm white. White. No, wait. Actually, apparently, you know what? Hold this. Let's show them my black and your ass, okay? I have a booty.
Wait!
That's my bird. Wait, come back.
That's my booty.
Yeah, ready? Now if I do that.
Booty pop.
No, that's mine.
You need to turn.
That's my, oh, that's my tits. That's my tits. You have to feel my bra. Feel how soft it is. Oh, don't. It's so soft. Okay, ready? Hold it. I want to do one thing, then I'm saying bye.
This video is 7 minutes. Bye!